Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. My name is Temie. Welcome back. It is very early. I'm recording this and I'm hoping that I don't wake everybody up. Anyways, let's get into this unboxing because I want to get it out of the way quick. So this is my November glossy box and I'm excited to open it. I have not opened it at all like prior or whatever. So this will be just as a surprise for me as it is for you guys. So as you can see, this is my box. I kind of had to block out all my info or whatever. I'm so excited to get into it. So if you don't know, Glossybox is $21 a month, I believe. And if you sign up for like a full year or whatnot, then you get, I think you pay either $18 or $16 a month or something. It's a beauty and makeup, I guess, beauty, skincare, and makeup subscription box. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at a time. But yeah, this is my glossy box. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I had to wake up early today just so I could do this unboxing and then get it out today as well. So if you're seeing this on the 11th of November, then clap for me because this one is, I'm trying to make all my unboxings the same day so that you guys can, see it and, enjoy the excitement as well. I got it last night, but there was a thunderstorm, so I couldn't really record last night. But I figured if I can get up early this morning before I start my day job, I can get it out to you guys in the evening time. So, and also consider subscribing because I'm going to be doing more of my unboxing series of any box that I am subscribed to. And hopefully if I get them early, you guys get them early as well. So let's get into today's box. This is my November. Ooh, okay, so we have here this Vencero watches $50 gift card. Okay, that's cute. If I were to buy a watch, I can get $50 off any watch or order over $100. That's really cool. And then there is the wine. I think a lot of the subscription boxes tend to have wine, whatever, to give away. Anyways, it's $50 off your first 4 bottle of box. This is my box. I'm trying to get it out. Okay. So it is so pretty. It's such a pretty pink. I love pink. As you can see, I'm wearing pink. Anyways, let me get into it. I'm gonna unbox it. Look at that. That is so cute. That is so cute. I love the way they present, their boxes. This is like one of the best well-packaged subscription box that I ever received. I mean, I love the color. I love the way they put their things together. Anyway, so this is the booklet that it comes in. It says Makeup and Magic. Oh, so cute. I'm not going to show you guys immediately because I want to go through it briefly and maybe try some things on. Yeah, so I'm going to, oh, look at that. So cute and so sleek. Oh, come on now. Lord have mercy. Alright, oh, that's so cute. Now let's go through everything in this box. So this is the first item I'm gonna be grabbing. This is Wanda, W-A-N-D-E-R, Wanda Beauty. It's a baggage claim gold eye mask. I need one right now. Look at my eyes. So this Wanda Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask is one pair worth of $4.16, and a full size would be 6 pairs, which would be $25. But since I have one pair, this is $4 worth. Packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever. So that's a good one. I have a lot of eye patches, so this would be definitely going in my refrigerator. So the next item here is this duo. It says Hero Cosmetics. So Hero Cosmetics is a Mighty Patch Invisible and Rescue Balm. So this is the Rescue Balm and this is the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus, which is worth $4. Next item is, and this looks like it's a brush. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cute. And it's soft. So soft. Let me wipe this first real quick. Oh yeah, feels really nice. The Spectrum B07 Crease Brush. Awesome. Oh, this is a limited edition brush. Our retail price is $8.99. So the next item is, okay, so this is Douce or Douce. I'm not sure how this is pronounced. D-O-U-C-C-E. It's an ultra precision eyeliner and in the shade Kohl Eyeliner, which is probably black, 500 probably. That has a velvety smooth formula. Oh yeah, wow. This looks so good. Applying this on the back of my hand does feel really, really smooth. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is a full-size product. Is $22. Wow. Now, I believe the last item in here is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, It feels good to receive eyeshadow palettes. Well, this is the Lasplash Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This is really pretty. I mean, the packaging is in gold. The box itself is gold and the packaging is in black. So this is a full-size product right here. So this is the Lasplash Cosmetics and it's a magic palette. So this is the theme. Oh no. Oh no, look at that. Oh no, my oh, that sucks. Anyways, yeah, so this is broken. Wow, that's terrible. Oh, that's such a bummer. It has a mirror. Anyways, let me just give you guys the retail price for this Lasplash Cosmetic Magic Palette. The retail price is $32. So yeah, I'm gonna try to create a quick look with this eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna go in with Tiger's Eye. Oh, look at that. This Tiger Eye shade, I like that. It applies really nicely. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with a quick shimmer. Actually, I'm gonna go in Onyx just to give it a nice smoky eye look. Right there. Yeah, this is very pigmented and I didn't use any base. I'm gonna go in with the same brush again, cleaning it off as I go. And I'm gonna go in with the Broken shimmer, which is called Rose Quartz. Such a pretty shade. And I'm just gonna put it right on my lid. That looks great. That looks really good. And this is just one dip really. So I think this is a legit, really good eyeshadow palette. I really like that. I know this is like a really quick try on anyways, but I think this eyeshadow palette is legit. It's like really, really nice. I like that even though it's broken, I'm gonna try to fix it. If not, it's okay. I can still use the other 3 shimmers. It's really not bad at all. But that's it for this video. Please do remember to give my video a like and also subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next unboxing video. Bye! Next item